A common mouth bacteria called Fusobacterium has been found to kill cancer cells in the head and neck. This discovery has stunned scientists and offers new hope for treating head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, which has seen little advancement in treatment options in recent years. The team analyzed data from 155 head and neck cancer patients and found that those with higher levels of Fusobacterium had a significantly better prognosis, with a 65% increase in survival chances. Laboratory experiments showed that when the bacteria were left in a petri dish with cancer cells for a few days, 70 to 90% of the cancer disappeared, as the bacteria released toxic molecules that effectively destroyed the tumor. The researchers expressed their amazement at the bacteria's ability to quickly kill cancer cells, even in very low quantities. Initially, they were expecting Fusobacterium to accelerate cancer growth in the head and neck, as it does in the bowels, but instead discovered its potential as a groundbreaking cure. This unexpected finding has opened up new avenues for exploring the use of bacteria in cancer treatment, suggesting that bacteria supporting cancer growth in one area of the body might prove beneficial in treating cancer in another. While the research is still in its early stages, the team is eager to continue studying how these findings could impact patient outcomes for head and neck cancer and potentially other types of cancer.